Hi everyone, I'm back with another video and today I will show you the codes that will work on Temu. First, you need to open the Temu app. Right here, click the U button at the bottom of your screen. Tap the coupons and offers. Here you can see the code here 033, Best 727, and Amiga 30. These codes are seasonal and only applicable to new customers. Additionally, Temu also provides free shipping vouchers for all users regarding whether they are new customers or not. So let's try to use one of the codes. Here you can see that the item is discounted and you also have free shipping voucher, which can be seen here. That's all for this video. Till next time!